Five Levels family.
Hey.
It's your girl, Naira Love.
It's your girl, Niche.
It's your girl, Kiki TV.
And today we do a mukbang of Sonic.
Sonic.
First, let's get a thumbnail before we start. Okay.
Oh, you like the Navi Love Life.
So my girl's back from Chicago. Woohoo! So now they're hanging out with me today. It's raining outside, so I got my headband on and my little puffball ponytail. Still sick and under the weather.
I'm about to eat my fries. What I got is some chili fries with cheese and a hot dog with cheese and chili fries. With chili.
And I got a cheeseburger and some fries and a slush, cherry slush.
I know I love my barbecue sauce and onion rings on my burger. So I got a number, I think this is a number 8.
This is number 4.
A number 4. It got barbecue sauce and onion rings and all that stuff on it. With some regular fries. So yeah.
Y'all see me shaking. It's cold. Well, not that cold.
Look,
but
when
it's
you
raining.
now you was shaking hard.
Yeah, normally it'd be scorching hot out here around this time of the month. But we've been getting rain for the last couple days.
It's a habit. You like some fries before your burger and hot dog. It's a
I
habit.
know. I know they put cheese on there too. So girls, what did y'all do in Chicago?
If y'all want to see what we did, make sure you should check the vlog out. But what we did was we met a celebrity,
And we told him about the music and stuff. Like he be getting like a lot of views.
and we saw Black Jesus.
That's the back.
Yeah, we met Black Jesus, and we met a person off of a show.
What show?
Black
The tattoo show.
Black Ink.
Chicago Info stuff.
Okay, you go.
Then we went swimming and stuff.
And we put a lot of water on Tony.
Stay tuned for those videos because OMG, it was funny. It got Tony good. But he got Denia good too.
Yeah.
They sent me the video of him pranking Denia. Well, getting her. And it's so funny. I was like, oh, he almost killed my baby. The way you hopped up out your sleep like that.
And she had to
And you looked lost.
I lost my balance.
She had to my mom bed told him.
I know she hopped off your bed to your mama's bed to the floor.
And you just standing there. Look at
Kiki. He really sucks Kiki. And Kiki went up full of water
No,
just
but
before.
I know.
No, but he got me. He drowned.
He barely got you.
No, when we went to the other hotel, he drowned me.
Yeah, Kiki hit the wall like this.
Did he got on video?
I tried to get the videos. They had got Tony when he was in a chair when I was asleep. But I was
I saw
waking
that
up.
one.
Gotcha.
He never got
Got
you.
you. And we got
I
two.
mean, okay.
And then he
It's
got,
time to go.
It's
and he got
11
serious
o'clock.
faith. Come on, get yourself ready.
Get your stuff. It's time to go. It's 11 o'clock. We gotta go. He ain't know what else to say or do.
It looks so good,
I
y'all.
put a lot of onion on it.
Y'all, guess what? I start back school August the 15th.
I'll start back Monday.
Ooh.
August 6th.
You can go back August 6th. We're going school shopping this weekend. And guess what? Y'all get to come along with us.
And I'm gonna sneak do my best if I can make slime.
She
I'm gonna catch it.
She obsessed with
Yeah. Denai is so obsessed with it.
And today I'm teaching my mama how to make slime. Yeah, today crazy. We're doing a vlog, a mukbang, and challenge.
All in one day. Only thing we're missing is a prank.
Y'all gonna get a prank from somebody. Cause we love to prank. If we ain't pulling water, we pulling shaving cream on. Yeah, I got my mama. I put shaving cream on her before I left to go to PC house.
Yeah, they got me while I was asleep. What y'all said I did? What did I do?
Cause you was saying your email.
I'm like,
That's time I woke up reciting my email address. Sometimes I be so tired because I be so busy during the day, working. As soon as I get off of work, I do a lot of ripping and running. So when it's about time for me to go to sleep, I be out.
You
But
went to sleep
then,
early last night.
yeah, I want to be in my room all night on my computer.
I was in the room.
I'm talking about any other day, all my kids. Till 5, 6 in the morning.
I went to sleep early yesterday. I went to sleep when my mama went to sleep.
That
That
was
was
early.
so-
We went to bed about 2 o'clock.
It was early. So look, I stayed in the car all day. Right when I got out, I went back in the car.
I'm because you was on the road.
And I went to TT Mama.
Where y'all go?
I don't know.
I had roll with Pooh while she rolled with Tita Mama.
TT left me, so I
What
was there by
about?
myself.
To get some eat and stuff.
Oh. But how come you don't know where you went? How you gonna ride with somebody you don't know where you're going?
She
You
told
can't
me
do
that
that.
they went in the city.
To the gas station. But I don't know what was that. It looked like the city. 'Cause I saw all different houses.
No, I mean, it's the city.
Right. You see houses everywhere. You see houses over there, down there, up there. She don't know her way around like that. But she know how to get her ass home.
You barely touched your eye, y'all.
Oh, I did.
You go one bite.
Yeah. The one thing about me, I eat very slow. Like, if we have an eating contest, I will lose.
I eat slow too. You heard my sister. How about you slow? And I take home leftovers that I don't eat.
It does be sitting in our refrigerator and then we just throw it away.
I know, we sit in the refrigerator. You try to clean the refrigerator out.
Yeah. So me and Kiki, we was eating. She was done, and I was feeling like on my third chicken nugget. And she had a burger. And she said I eat this now.
You do. Like, look, so we had this.
I do more talking than
chicken.
eating.
We had this place when we had first got there. It was Sharks, and then they had a big burger. Naya, when I looked around, Naya's still at the top. I'm like,
Look how little she is. It's gonna take all day.
she gained like 10 pounds.
I bet y'all. Every time I look up, y'all was eating. Y'all had beggars, wings, Hooters. I just want the chili. Y'all
I'm
had.
full of some fries.
We had some alpacas, some Indiana.
I'm full.
He had 4 foot too.
This Jerry. I'm still hungry. She got me this little noodle.
Jerry. He showed this little noodle like a
Jerry like a grown man. Because he's so huge.
He's so tall.
Yeah.
His hands big.
His hands big, his feet.
And he when he kick you, he
But
knock
he's
you
not
out.
fat. He just thick.
Skinny. When he kick you, he'll be gone for like for 30 minutes. Yeah, I love slushies. Like, it give me a sugary rush. Yeah, this slime, hope my mama make some good slime. Better slime than me.
Low key, I hate slime.
Yeah, she like fluffy slime, but she don't like sticky slime.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, she be making
I like
fluffy
slime, but I don't like making it like that.
the funniest part is making it.
Denia's addicted, like we said. And
So Mickey
it gets all around my house. It be everywhere.
This one he was hanging off the counter. And my mama
Yes,
told me, "Come
hanging
get
on my
it."
kitchen counter, dripping.
Because
Can't be
that,
dripping, drip, drip.
because that slime was, I didn't put it in the container, it was hard. And I didn't want it no more. So I took the top off the big slime, that big slime spam last night.
Mhm.
And I put it on the counter. I was just poking the other slime and I forgot to pick it up.
Yeah.
We better eat that hot dog, at least half of it. I could just order you some fries.
Yeah, look how much I ate. Now tell me, that's a lot.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I'm not picky like that. I'm not picky.
Sometimes.
When I have my burger, a homemade burger, I gotta have fried onions.
Told y'all. And now you over here when I talked about that.
What?
Oh, me and my kids said we had Qdoba. And I told her when I make my burgers, y'all gotta have fried onions, grilled onions in.
Yeah, I want to see some of my hot dog. Okay, guys, if I eat this whole hot dog, my mama owe me $50.
Yeah, right.
Then I have like it's too big for you. To barely bite.
This burger was pretty good. I always get this burger when I come in.
Yeah, my slushy used to be gone by now.
What kind of drink you got?
For me, oh, I got cherry slushy. I wanted the famous one. Mom said I'll stick with the regular one.
Yep. She gonna waste it. She ain't gonna drink all that.
I drink slushy from Pittsburgh. Mama, the slushy in Chicago tastes like Kool-Aid.
And then vanilla ice cream tastes like chocolate.
I couldn't even eat it all. It tastes like chocolate.
Not the vanilla ice cream tastes like chocolate.
And I don't even like chocolate. I don't like chocolate cupcakes or chocolate ice cream. I don't like chocolate candy bars. Yeah, I woke up early. I woke up at 8.
She happy.
My mama, what time you
Because
woke
they
up?
used to waking up 4 in the evening.
I'm back on track for school. This is my school schedule.
Okay, I
Go
gotta
sleep
call
at
them
2?
after we do our YouTube video.
Wake up at 8.
We doing a mukbang. Sonic. How we fake?
Oh, we got to pause our video. We be taking a phone call in the middle of our video.
Alright.
Who's your mama? Where's she at?
The chili kind of
Probably
good.
at home.
Yeah, my mama, she like chili and cheese. I don't like her eating cheese.
I was just gonna wish me something about that.
They hate when I eat cheese because you know what happens when
She
you're
not fuck-
lactose.
And tolerant. I could on both of them at the same time.
But I gotta have my cheese. I got to.
She love cheese and sour cream. When we make tacos, I want to put the whole thing of sour cream on it. Kiki, she plain. She don't got nothing on her taco, but
Yes, I do.
but meat.
I have meat, cheese, and lettuce. That's enough.
You need meat, cheese, piece of sauce. I mean, not piece of sauce. What's it called? What do you need?
Salsa.
Salsa, sour cream. You need the lettuce. You need everything. on there.
Tomatoes.
Kiki, she don't know how to eat.
No,
She get the same thing every time.
when I eat tomatoes, it makes my stuff water.
Tomatoes.
Like I had to eat some tomatoes.
You
on
make
my
it
salad.
juicy. Yeah, I don't like tomatoes like that. Only like ketchup. When I got tomatoes on my burger, I took it off.
I only could do a little bit of tomato too. I
And
take off the pickles.
And we don't eat pickles on our burgers. Period.
Like I eat pickles
I
by
used to.
itself, but on this burger,
Like I love pickles by
It
itself.
seems like as I got older, I'm starting liking putting pickles on my burgers.
It's pickles are salty. You gotta eat it. Mama, so it's this YouTube channel
you
called
really have
React.
to demonstrate.
It's a YouTube channel called React. That's my favorite YouTube channel. I subscribe for turn notification. Every time a new video, it comes on my phone. It was y'all need to do to this channel. And so I clicked on one, and it was like they had to eat like stuff all the pickles in their mouth. And they was just spitting it out
Oh.
and everything. I only can
We
eat
should
like
try
2
one.
pickles.
I
It's
be
the
doing, I
one
be
bite
doing the
challenge.
SMR and
Right.
SMR and I be
When you
Oh.
went to
on the
when you went to LA, we had SMR. We like with the pickles.
Who did?
Me and Kiki.
When I went to LA,
I mean
Miami.
Miami. No, not Atlanta.
No. When,
I said Miami.
For the
Texas.
Texas.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm slow.
I've been everywhere this year.
She went everywhere this summer. She was
And I didn't get a chance to
outside.
take y'all with me. I'm sorry. I didn't blog.
My mama
I recorded Miami, but I didn't blog. I recorded in Atlanta, but I put that on my sister page. Go check that out under Fina TV. FINATEEBEE. The Atlanta trip. I didn't blog in Texas. Nor we didn't vlog Indiana.
I did.
Um,
With my first YouTube channel, I can put it
we
on
gotta
there.
go to Denaya page and check out her blog when we went to
Holiday World.
Holiday World. We had so much fun. I kind of liked it. I like it better than Six Flags. I want to take them back before school starts, but I know this school stuff's gonna be expensive. So
Yeah, and guess what? It's 4-hour drive. Nobody got time for that.
it's 3 hours,
Yeah.
3.5.
And in Chicago, it's 4. I was so ready to get out that car. Mama, when people remove from under the steps, they're like, woo!
What?
From the van under the
Y'all got
steps.
people under the stairs in Chicago?
No.
Remember that movie?
Yeah.
People under the stairs.
Yeah, it's how I feel to get out the car for a second. I'm like, whoa!
What is she talking about, Kiki? Who's coming from under the steps?
Me!
Wait.
No!
she said when she be sitting in the car a long time and she finally get out, she be like,
Oh.
Like, I'm like,
Oh, you be acting like people from under the stairs when you get out the car. Oh. Girl, I understand
I
what
didn't
you
use
saying.
my fork. I'm about to use it right now, though.
What? Oh, dude, that's gonna be everywhere.
Guys, I'm almost here.
Well, it's a short video.
It's 20 minutes.
So, that's why I hate eating outside, y'all. Bugs. Y'all know what happened last time.
And Canova when I wasn't there.
Yeah. So, we just wanted to thank you all for watching us again on another epic video.
Wait, before you close it, be quiet. You guys.
Yeah, give us a thumbs
No,
up.
wait. Okay, you guys. I got a magic.
Your teeth are orange from the slush. You're gonna be that close to the camera.
Oh, so you guys, and the like in the Chicago vlog, it was too long. I'm sorry, it's like 43 minutes because we was lit. Okay, I can go now.
Really.
You could explain that in that video.
Make sure you give us a thumbs up.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And turn on post notifications.
And comment down below.
And don't forget to get on our levels.
Get on our levels.
Get on that level.
Get on our level.
And we are.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing.